Want to build the future of AI? You're in the right place. At LabLab, we make AI easy and accessible for all. We organize hackathons almost every weekend, so whether you're online or joining us in some of the world's most exciting cities like San Francisco or London, you can dive into the latest AI trends and create something incredible. But that's just the beginning. With LabLab Next, our accelerator program, we take things further. It's a fast track to power up your startup and bring your ideas to life with the support from the top industry leaders. At LabLab, we give you the platform, the tools, and the community to innovate and shape the future of AI. So, are you ready to get started? Visit our website at lablab.ai to check out our current hackathons happening almost every week. You'll also find amazing AI tutorials and a blog full of the latest industry news. So join our next hackathon and let's shape the future together at LabLab.